My name is Laura Petersen. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Real Estate Risk Management, and I'm also a real estate mediator. My services through Real Estate Risk Management are here to help the brokers, the agents, the buyers, and the sellers of a real property. We provide all of the transactional legal advice and counsel for the brokers and agents, along with handling all of their real estate disputes. In addition to that, we also provide transactional legal advice and counsel for any transactional non-dispute legal questions that your buyers and sellers have. In addition to that, we also provide unlimited mediation services for any dispute in regards to that property for the lifetime of the transaction. So in the world of virtual agents, our program is the extra benefit needed for buyers and sellers out there in your community. Thank you so much for having me as a part of your team.